Hey guys, I'm Jerusha and you're watching Jerusha Couture TV. This is a good one. This is a really good one. I'm so excited for this Chanel unboxing. But first I'd like to thank today's video sponsor, and I cannot believe I'm saying this, but it is Louisvuitton. Louisvuitton is Australia's oldest luxury fashion company. I am honoured to be working with them. Honoured. They were originated in 1938 here in Australia. Not only do they have their own house brand, Louisvuitton, and it consists of amazing leather handbags, leather items, leather accessories, jewellery line. They also have their ready-to-wear line, divine silks, linens. The collection is stunning. On top of that, Louisvuitton Group own and house so many other fashion lines, fashion labels, companies and fashion in the industry, fashion houses. And for me, that is just like creme de la creme to be working with them. I want to showcase to you these two handbags that is in their brand new line that has come out. And this is the first one. Get ready for this color. Oh my gosh, I don't know what it is about some of these, you know, contemporary luxury fashion houses. Their leather is so unbelievable. It reminds me a lot of my leather when I had my handbags in my fashion boutique. The pebbled leather, the grain on this handbag, I honestly, I wish you could feel it through the camera. Beautiful, light, I would say light cognac color. It's not kind of that dark cognac that's going around. It's a gorgeous size. Beautiful compartments. You get the crossbody strap inside, a zipper compartment. All their bags have stuffing, protection, like just immaculate. It has this gorgeous linen lining. It is so beautiful, guys. You should smell this, honestly. And this is such a good size for, you know, a run around, but also if you're going on that like yacht party these holidays. If this brown is not your flavor, it comes in an array of colors. It comes in this most amazing white. It is so beautiful with the brushed gold hardware. It also comes in an emerald green. I thought of my gorgeous Monique, who loves green so much. It is just gorgeous. This gives me such Loewe vibes, but you know what? I'm just gonna say it. A lot of you know I'm not like the biggest Loewe fan. I would pick this from Louisvuitton any day. Yes, I know it comes in a different shape, but Louisvuitton also offer this in kind of a weave basket shape, which I think is so beautiful. I really want it in like the mini size, the small size of it. You have like this card compartment on the front here, again in their beautiful leather. The leather is so soft and gorgeous. You get the adjustable long strap, and inside you have this drawstring with the leather and the toggles, and this linen kind of lined basket, which also has a zipper pocket. You can see it down in there, a zipper pocket inside for storage and organization. I mean, it's just so beautiful. And it is so oh my god, Mum's gonna love this. I definitely want to look at it in like the basket weave shape, I think I'm trying to call it. I'm gonna link to all of these items below in all the colors that I like. I'm also going to link to Louisvuitton brand. Honestly, please check them out. It is such an honor. It truthfully is an honor to be working with them, being Australian and just being a fashion designer and knowing the house and how long it's been around. I am truthfully honored. This is where my job is just beautiful. On to the grand finale of this video, my unboxing of my latest Chanel purchase. I'm not going to say it's my only. There are some more here down below the camera. I think I said in one of my last vlogs that I have a lot of unboxings to do. It's going to look like a lot, but I've been pushed back so far. Please do check out my vlogs. I explain a lot in them. This handbag, however, listen, I don't know how these things happen. I'm just there at the right time, I guess, and it just works. I have put a bit of color on today to match with this handbag, so you may be able to guess it. I would like to thank the beautiful personal shopper, Elia. Happily Everly After on Instagram. I am going to link to her below. She has started out her Instagram reseller or personal shopper business, and she is going gangbusters. I knew her long before she started this. Her daughter Everly is just so gorgeous, and I've stayed in contact with her, and now she has literally flourished in the area of finding these amazing items. Here is the box with the camellia and the ribbon. Everything comes absolutely like it would in boutique. Let's go ahead and unbox together. True unboxing. True unboxing, guys. So here we go. Oh, you can see it. Here is her proof of purchase receipt in there. Are you ready? I want to get you a good shot. Oh my god. Oh my god. If there is an OMG, like yes, the Pearl Mini was an OMG, but this in person, I'm true, you can tell I'm so excited for this handbag. So Elia's card says, Jerusha, I hope you enjoy this beautiful bag. It is meant to be for you. Thank you for all your support with my business. Oh my gosh, love Elia and Everly. Oh my god, she's so sweet. Guys, this is the thing, okay? I've said this before about Chanel. I appreciate that Louis Vuitton name their bags or their collections. I really do. The name of this bag or the code, like the identification, if you want to find it. It's care booklet and it's dust bag folded beautifully underneath the bag. Ah, oh my god. It is so gorgeous. It is so gorgeous. Oh my god, in person it's beautiful. The name of this bag is the Chanel fabric flap with gold metal. I think that's all it says. It's crazy. It is from the 21K. 21K? Is that? Yeah. Flat bag in gold metal. 21K, and it is AS2897. Is what the code says on the bottom. Here is the tag. She still has the tag attached, which is beautiful. It says multicolor. That's all it says. See? I think they need to come up with names. Look at this. I want to give you a beautiful shot of it. I don't feel like I've seen very many videos on it. There's been a lot of posts on it. Like on all the blogs, on all the fashion blogs, Blogspot, Purse Pop, things like that. It has this slip compartment. There's no fastening on it. It's just a slip, which would fit a phone. I'll just grab my phone, my iPhone 12. So obviously that just slips in the back there. There's no fastening. There's not even a magnet fastening there. It's just complete slip with a nice sort of navy grosgrain fabric there. Can you tell I'm excited for this? I want to be excited for all my unboxings, but there's just times when bags get you. You know, it's meant for you, or you're really excited about it. I'm excited about all my bags, don't get me wrong, but this was like, wow. So you have the shiny gold hardware there, and on the CC turn lock is this, it's like a navy leather is intertwined with the strap. We got the CC turn lock, and there we have, oh my god, the Chanel, and there is the inside. Oh wow, the inside is quilted. That is beautiful. That is so beautiful. Obviously I looked at all of Elia's pictures. It's not like I didn't look at them. It's different when it's in person, you know. So there is the interior, again, completely fabric, so there's pretty much very minimal structure, very much like the Pearl Mini because that's satin. So if I hold it up close, you can see there it's got like the quilting, not puffy, but it's got the quilting lining there in the, this is definitely a navy, right guys? Like, I'm not blind. I don't think I'm going blind yet. That's definitely a navy. Just got a big open compartment. You've got one slip compartment. That's nice. It's got the Chanel stamp on the back there on leather, Chanel Italy, and then you've got the one zipper compartment on the back wall, which is really, really beautiful. This is my first Chanel bag with the new microchips. You do not get a date card or the proof of like identification black card. These are the new microchips, and actually on the swing tag that did come on this one, you have the QR code. Can you see it down there? And you can scan that and get the identification of it and the information of it off the web, which is really cool. Obviously doing that now, you know, for fraud, counterfeit, replicas, because it's so easy, I guess, to make a plastic credit card with, you know, the authenticity on it. So to make a copy of that is so easy, but to have a chip inside which only they can scan for authenticity is brilliant. Each gold grommet has Chanel engraved in it. Sorry, very seasonal pieces, I guess. They don't go to those sort of details on classics, but it is such a good drop. It is, I'm trying to look, it is a good drop as well. It's a really nice size. It is a bit bigger than a small, and it is a bit smaller than a medium. I'm trying to look, but I can tell you right now. Oh my God, it's so gorgeous. It is really, really gorgeous. It makes me super happy. Not everyone's cup of tea, but it's definitely one of those like gems. They didn't make a lot of them, and it's just, look, my earrings go with it, ding. So guys, I'm gonna go and fill this puppy up and have a play with it, sit down with it, look at it, stroke it. That is what I like to do, okay? We're enthusiasts. That is all I have for you today, guys. I hope you guys are having a beautiful holiday season with your family, enjoying your time together. Spending time with the family is the best thing in this day and age. Honestly, we're running around like crazy, absolute madmen, and all of this crap with the virus. So please stay safe. I hope you're having a lovely time with your loved ones. If you haven't subscribed to my channel already and you wish to do so, there is a button below. I would super appreciate that, guys. If you like this video, go ahead and smash the thumbs up button. It really shows YouTube we are in good standing as creators. Please stay safe out there. I'll see you in my next video. Take care. Peace.